Welcome to my Admin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix application error 0xc0000135 in Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting 0xc0000135 an application error in your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your temporary folder. For that, just you need to open your run command. For that, press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type %temp% and click OK. You need to select all these folders and delete. Click continue. Some of the files may not be deleted, just skip that one and close this window. After that, go to the control panel, click on control panel, click on programs and features. In this you can see here turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on that. In this you can see here NED framework 3.5. You have to check mark this option. If it is unchecked, just tick mark this and expand that one, and you have to check mark this both option also. After that, click on OK and wait for some time. Guys, after completion of this process, just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix application error 0xc0000135 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.